and I am from class 8G. For today's assembly, I am here to represent our topics, which are number 1, truthfulness. It means being honest and always speaking the truth but not the lies. Number 2, courage. It's the strength and support which we need when we are facing difficulties, pains, and grief. Number 3, thanksgiving. It's a day of giving thanks and seek God's blessing for good harvest. And the last but not the least, which is Flag Day. It's a day to honor all the men in uniform who fight every day at the border to save our lives. So, let's gather some more information about these topics. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Shivangi Tilaut of class 8G and today I am going to give a speech on truthfulness. We all have been taught since childhood we should always speak the truth. But if we just sit back and reflect for a moment our whole day activities, then majority of us will find that we hardly follow the sentence nowadays. So the question arises, is speaking truth so difficult? Does it take a lot of courage to speak the truth? The answer is no. The truth is all pervasive and it cannot be denied. The three things cannot be longer hidden are the sun, the moon and the truth. The people who speak the truth, however the situation may be, becomes a role model and ideal for the others. Like Gandhiji set an example for others and followed the path of truth. And he is a live example of the fact that the truth triumphs always. Likewise, in court, we require witnesses to swear to tell the truth. Nothing but the truth and all the truth. Because only that way can justice be delivered. Thank you.
Good morning, I am Palak Bharadwaj. I and my friend Sia is going to perform a story on truthfulness.
Yes, I know this answer. I like the online classes very much. I don't need to study also.
Oh, I don't remember this question, but I will not cheat. Next time I will work hard and give my exam with full honesty. Oh, our school are going to reopen. I am so happy and excited. Yes.
Oh no! Our school is going to open from tomorrow and I have not studied anything. Good afternoon, students. I hope you all have prepared for the test. I am distributing the test papers.
Oh, today's question paper is so easy. I think I will score good marks in this exam.
Oh no, I can't able to remember the formula. I wish that I have given test with truthfulness and honesty.
Oh, I have got A+. Yes.
Oh, I got C. It's my mistake only. Now I realize that we should not cheat in our online classes. I am fooling myself only.
So, the moral of the story is to be truthful. The path to lie is short and easy. The path to truth is long and lived and helps to achieve sincerity. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Anshari Harna from class 8G and today's assembly topic is truthfulness. Where you find truth is where you find your reflection, and where you find reflection is where you find love.
Where you find love is where you find light, and where you find light is where you find faith.
And where you find faith is where you find purpose, and when you find your purpose is where you find your happiness.
And where you find happiness is where you find truth, and when you find truth, truth will set you free.
Good morning everyone. My name is Rushi Sancheti. I am from class 8J and I am going to recite a poem of Indian Armed Force. Today Indian soldiers for enemy they are like avengers. For country they are always ready to die. Their morality remains high. Even in the snow zone or hot zone, they are with hot blood and strong bone. Don't fear from anyone. Think himself, motherland son. When country is in danger, they form the group of avengers. Indian Air Force is like vulture. From sky identified the enemy's picture. Indian Army is like lion. They do work like cheetah. Indian Navy is like whale. kill the enemy through the nail. All the three forces combined form the forces of Indian Armed Force. And the writer name is Naveen Singh.
Good morning everyone. My name is Samriddhi Bijora from class 8J. Today I will tell you about the Flag Day. The Armed Forces Flag Day or the Flag Day of India is a day dedicated to India towards collection of funds from people of India for the welfare of Indian Armed Forces personnel. It has been observed annually in India on December 7 since 1949. Over the years, it has become a tradition to commemorate this day as an honor to the soldiers, sailors and airmen of India. So now, let's hear more about Flag Day from my classmate Tanish More.
The Flag Day is mainly observed to serve three basic purposes. First, rehabilitations of battle casualties. Second, welfare of serving personnel and their families. Third, resettlements and welfare of ex-servicemen and their families. On the Flag Day, all three branches of the Indian Armed Force, the Indian Army, the Indian Army Force and the Indian Navy, arrange a varieties of shows, carnivals, dramas and other entertainment programs to showcase to the general publics the efforts of their personnel.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sanika Shukla and I study in class 8J. यह दिन भारतीय सशस्त्र बल से जुड़े जवानों के कल्याण के लिए फंड एकत्र करने को समर्पित है। भारत के पास दुनिया की तीसरी सबसे बड़ी फौज है। दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी वॉलंटियर सेना भी हमारे पास है। Let us honor, salute and acknowledge the Indian Armed Forces and their families to sacrifice their lives and happiness to keep us happy and safe. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good morning everyone. My name is Dipanshu Singh and I am from class 8I. Wishing you the gift of faith and blessing on the hope of Thanksgiving Day. Thanksgiving is a time of reflection for all our blessings. Your friendship counts for so much. Have a happy Thanksgiving Day. Friends that wishes you Thanksgiving moment are as sweet as pumpkin pie. Sending you good wishes on this Thanksgiving Day. Good food for your health and that fills your table. Good health as you work hard. Good time with your family and friends. May you have a delightful time in your life. Have a happy Thanksgiving Day. Now my friend Dakshita will going to give their quotes. Thank you.
Now I'll present some quotes. Thank you is the best prayer that anyone could say. I say that one a lot. Thank you expresses extreme gratitude and humility understanding. Let gratitude be the pillow upon which you kneel to say your nightly prayer, and let faith be the bridge you build to overcome evil and welcome good.
The name of the poem is Thanksgiving. The year is closer, it circles. The season comes and goes. The harvest is all gathered in, and chilly north winds blow. Artisans have shared their treasures. The fields, their yellow gates. So open with the doorway. The Thanksgiving comes again.
Courage doesn't always roar. Sometimes courage is the little voice at the end of the day that says, I will try again tomorrow.
Courage does not happen when you have all the answers. It happens when you are ready to face the question you were avoiding in your whole life.
I learned that courage was not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear.
Courage is the most important of all the virtue, because without courage you can't practice any other virtue consistently.
What is courage? Many of us would answer fearless, but the correct answer would be ability to take action even if you have fear. Good morning everyone, I'm Adishri Nayak of class 8H. and I'm going to narrate a story of courageous Neerja. It was morning of September 5, 1986. The aircraft Pan Am Flight 73 with 360 passengers has just arrived from Mumbai and was ready to depart Jinnah International Airport in Karachi for its destination, the United States. Unfortunately, the flight was hijacked by 4 heavily armed terrorists while it was parked in Karachi. Neerja Banwat was the senior-most crew member on board the flight. The terrorists boarded the flight dressed as security guards, and Neerja was the one to alert cockpit crew member who managed to overheaded hatch in the cockpit. The terrorists started asking passports of the crew member, and Neerja realized that their primary targets were Americans on board. But Neerja managed to hide the passports. With her help, at least 39 Americans were saved out of 41. The terrorists held the passengers for 17 long hours, and after that they started open fire on them. Neerja helped the passenger to escape emergency exit door, but an attempt to save 3 children, Neerja lost her life. This is what the courage is. Let's salute to these courageous people. Thank you.